I walked into the youth apprenticeship knowing basically nothing, very minimal skills, everything. And at the end of the youth apprenticeship program, I had a very basic understanding of machining in general.
So you get to learn a little bit about tooling, gauging, you get to learn how to use all the gauging while working in the tool room. And then you get to get out on some smaller machinery, and you get to be challenged. So if you really like being challenged and working with your hands, it's a great fit for that type of person.
Coming in and I learn something new every day. Doesn't matter where I'm at, I'll learn something new every day.
The whole training department in itself is really valuable because I get to have my own machine and it's hands-on. But I've also got a mentor when I need it. I've got somebody I can go to for advice.
Oh yeah, it's definitely the best environment for learning. I mean, it's pretty low risk. There's always somebody there to ask questions, which is definitely something you're going to have to do. And I mean, if you want to learn the stuff, it's kind of the way to go.
The youth apprenticeship thing taught me how to ask questions no matter how stupid you think they are, because you'd rather be sure about something than just wing it on your own. And you learn a lot by asking questions that you even think you know the answer to. The people here who are training you actually care. They want you to learn, and they're going to help you learn. And even if you're unsure about trying it, just try it. You got nothing to lose, and you're going to learn good knowledge out of it no matter what.
And there's several different paths you can take within machining, whether it's job shop machining, whether it's tool and die making, or pattern making.
Career in manufacturing is what they learn here and continue with can be taken anywhere they want to go. It's not limited to this area.
The biggest thing that I enjoyed about doing the youth apprenticeship as a high school student was being able to get out of school and go to a workplace and be surrounded by people doing something that you really liked. You got a head start to start learning a trade that you wanted to go into. And, not to mention you get paid to do it also.
I went half-day school and half-day at work. Didn't have to work nights, didn't have to work weekends, and I was building a career while in high school most people don't get that opportunity.
It requires a lot of critical thinking. You have to figure out how you're going to make a part, what tooling you're going to need, what gauging you're going to need, how you're going to go about making it.
You have to have a skill set in computers and you have to have a skill set in common sense and in physics. And
it's an actual profession that takes a lot of skill and knowledge. And I believe that I think even if you've been doing it for 20 years, you still learn new things every day.
There is not too many opportunities out there like that. It was just a chance of freedom to see if I actually wanted to do something in this realm.
This was a good foot in the door to figure out if this is really what you want to do before you even graduate high school.
It helped me just to kind of get my feet wet and understand the most simple things about machining and get a good grasp on that before you actually dive deeply into the real complicated stuff.
I think if I didn't have the youth apprenticeship, I for one probably wouldn't be interested in the trade because I would have maybe never have thought of becoming a machinist. But I think just all the experience that I gathered up from doing so many different things.
We're out here using brand new stuff with the latest and greatest technology, just trying to continue to grow.
I got to try the tool room. I got to go to inspection. I got to go on the shop floor. I helped with shipping. I helped with assembly. That's how you build your resume.
Just take a walk through the shop and you can look in awe of what our machinists put together. It's like a Michelangelo made out of material, out of steel. And to see that excitement coming from the outside world and coming in here and seeing how cool that can be, that they can make things.
It's the satisfaction of knowing that you just did a part that could be going on military trucks, agricultural equipment, just going out in the general world that make, if it's part of a machine, you could be making thousands more parts.
Well, the thing that's really cool is if you're into anything, snowmobiling, four-wheeling, anything like that, you also have the opportunity to make your own parts. Everything from programming to setting up your parts to actually running them and then inspecting them.
It really might look scary from the outside, but most guys here, they're all willing to help you out. and it's, you know, they're trying to grow you as a machinist and grow you into a machinist.
Why not do it? You know, what do you have to lose? I mean, jump right in. You're going to be making money and learning something good for yourself. There's really no downside to doing it.
Yeah.
Just get out and try it. You gotta give it a try. I was skeptical at first, but I love it. Won't ever go back.